Our program today says we should write the program that reads the price of the laptop, read the tax percentage, and then print the total. If the laptop costs $300 and the price or the tax is 10%, then the total price is $3,000 or $330 US. So how do we get this? First, we need to decide on our inputs, and we know that the price can be an integer or it can be a float. It can be anything between 1 and positive infinity, and the tax can also be anything between 1 and positive infinity. Actually, the price can also be less than 1 but not less than 0. So let us dive and see how this works. We get price to be get float, and we know that we need to import our float from utils, import get float, and we say price equal to get float. Please enter the price of the laptop. I can say laptop or article, because this can be anything. And when we get the price, we also ask for the percentage or tax percent. Follow that. Percent equal, this will also be a float. Please enter the tax percent. And when we get this, we process this information. Note that the percentage that we get, if they say 1%, 1% means 1 divided by 100. Don't forget that. We've seen this before in this exercise. So what do we do to get the value added tax? VAT, this will be equal to tax percent divided by 100 multiplied by the price. This will be the value added tax. I'll put this in brackets like that. And we get the total price, total cost, or total price will be equal to the price plus the VAT. If we print this, we'll see what was the output. The total price is, okay, price of laptop equal, we'll put the price here. Let's assume this to be dollars as always, and VAT is, let's put this here, VAT in dollars, assume so, and price of laptop is this and VAT is this. The total price is, now we put total cost in dollars. This is all about this program. It's not more difficult than this. And let's run this, and we are not running the same file. So this exercise 2, we run exercise 5, 6 here. Okay, it is saying that we have a problem. Get float is missing 2 required positional arguments, minimum value and maximum value. Yes, our get float function requires us to give a minimum and a maximum value. Here we don't have, so that is the problem. As we said, the price can be anything between, it can be less than 1 but cannot be less than 0, and let's assume the maximum price to be 10,000 assumption, and the tax cannot be anything less than 0, and let's say the price can be up to 35%. Now our program should run well. So yeah, laptop price 300, need to type here 300 and the percent 10, and we should get 310. Okay, it's not happy with this guy. Let's see. Python is seeing it as you want to interpret it, so let me clear this and I run again. The laptop costs 300, the tax percentage is 10, and this there's a problem here. This is not print, it should be price, not print. No wonder. Price, come on. So let's run this again, and 300, tax 10%, and we should get this. Price of laptop is 300 and VAT is 30. The total price is that. In Sweden, this price will be, because it's 25% that will pay for VAT in Sweden.